We're live from the Bobblesburg Winter Games.
As television stations prepare to broadcast to the world, join Bob and the Machines in an exciting snowy adventure. Meet Benny, new to the team.
Unreal, Banana Peel.
When the mountain pass gets snowed under, will Bob get the courses built in time for the opening ceremony?
Oh no! Help!
It's their biggest challenge ever. Can they build it? Coming to DVD and VHS, fall 2004.
Can Bob get the job done in his newest video? Yes, we can.
Looks like a tricky job, Bob.
Not when you have a good team, Mr. Bentley. Okay, team, let's get to work.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can!
Bob, are you sure you're going to be able to run the farm and repair the barn?
Don't you worry, Travis. Can we catch them?
Yes, we can!
Watch Bob and his can-do crew in Yes, We Can. Now available from Hit Entertainment.
Things not going so well? Do you sometimes feel as if you're all tied up with nowhere to go? Then do what the Fraggles do. Play all day long.
Dance your cares away.
With the newest Fraggle Rock DVD, Dance Your Cares Away.
What was that?
Dance Your Cares Away from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Down at Fraggle Rock.
If you go through Doc's workshop and sneak past his clever dog Sprocket, you'll enter the amazing underground world of Jim Henson's Fraggle Rock.
Fraggles! Did you say Fraggles? What's a Fraggle?
Fraggles are the fun-loving, game-playing, song-singing furry creatures that play all day long.
We're Gobo and Boober.
Okay, maybe a little slower. There's Gobo
Gobos that need adventures that
and Moki, who is amazed by the whole world.
Come on, everybody, run a rushes. Rushes.
There's Wembley, the calm one, and Red, who is always ready for a challenge.
Oh, I bet I come in first.
And then there's Boober, who is, well, Boober.
Excuse me, sorry. Oh, radishes are my life.
Right. Just don't get caught by the Gorks when you're visiting their radish
They
garden.
won't get into my garden, or my name's not Junior. You Fraggle!
I said don't get caught.
Oh no.
That's better. And don't forget those busy doozers.
Architecture's meant to be enjoyed.
And Gobo's adventurous Uncle Traveling Matt, who's brave enough to explore the real world.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry.
Don't forget the all-knowing trash heap, the pipe bangers, the minstrels. There's a whole world of music, laughter, and magical wonder just beyond the wall.
It's always exciting in Fraggle Rock.
Jim Henson's Fraggle Rock. Now available on VHS and DVD from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Down at Fraggle Rock.
And now it's time for All About Animals with your host, Kipper.
Ah, what a lovely day.
Lesson number 1. Birds.
What do birds eat?
Worms.
Yuck! It's great up here, isn't it?
I can see my house.
Oh, look. It's brought us a worm.
What for? Oh, yuck!
Lesson number 2. Mice.
I'm sure I tidied you up. Look at that. Someone's made a hole in my toy box. Hello? Hello?
Do you mind? I'm trying to get some sleep.
And lesson number 3, parrots.
He's ever so clever. He can repeat anything you say.
I can repeat anything you say. I am a clever boy. Cuckoo! Ah! Meow! Quack! 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 All fall down.
This concludes our cuddly critter lessons for the day. To learn more about these and other animals, look for Cuddly Critters, starring Kipper the dog. Now on home video from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Who's the first to lend a helping hand to others? Or welcome an unexpected visitor into his home? Kipper, of course. Always loving. Always caring. Always entertaining.
3, 2, 1, go! Yes!
Always sharing.
Would you like a glass of milk, Ghost? There you are. Lollipops.
Little Bosch.
Help yourself to a sweet treat with Kipper in Kipper Helps Out from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Get ready to splash into one adventure after another with Kipper. Come rain or shine, a little water goes a long way toward a fun day with Kipper. In ponds,
Ahoy! Kipper!
Hi, Tiger.
or in pools. Just add water for good, clean fun with Kipper. Kipper's Water Play, now available from Hit Entertainment.
And it's a place where we all can play. Friendly.
Silly has a brand new address. And it's Todd World.
Hi, I'm Todd, and this is my world. Have you ever eaten macaroni and cheese in the bathtub? Or taken an amusement park ride on a giant milkshake?
Cannonball!
Neato Mosquito! These are my friends. This is Pickle.
Back up. Can't forget the wormies.
He takes his pet worms with him everywhere. This is Stella.
I will be the star of the show. The Queen of Diamonds.
She likes being the center of attention.
We begin.
This is Sophie. When her pigtails move up and down real fast, she can fly. And this is my dog, Benny.
Check it out.
He plays a pretty mean pair of sticks.
And silly's just the half of it, because in Todd World, you'll also learn lots of smart stuff, like foot tracing, how to build a squirrel house with monkey underpants,
Monkey underpants?
and that it's okay to be short
Winner for smallest elephant.
or tall.
Winner for biggest mouse.
Todd and his friends are now on DVD and VHS from Hit Entertainment. You'll also find them soon in lots of fun books from Little Brown and Company. Make Todd World your newest fun place. Todd World. Very silly, very smart.
See you next time. Love, Todd.